Prepper here. Today's blog post I'm going to cover survival, the top 4 survival, wilderness survival skills. Now, as you can see, we are in a city, and you're probably going to hear some cars whipping by me, and you might hear some siren sounds. Lost my flip flop there. So, today's blog topic, as I said, we're going to talk about survival in the wilderness, the 4 major things you need to survive when, if you ever driven out of the city during these turbulent times, we don't know when that could happen. So if you're ever driven out of the city and you have to flee to the mountains or the woods or the wilderness, I'm going to cover 4 top survival techniques that you need to learn if that ever were to happen. Dad Prepper, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this blog post. Hope it is valuable to you. And I will see you tomorrow for my next post. And if you liked today's post, you are going to love tomorrow's post. Dad Prepper, signing off.